Presenting the Sony Alpha ILCE5100L 24.3 megapixel digital SLR camera. It uses a CMOS image sensor that ensures focusing is smooth, accurate and easy. Coupled with a Bion ZX image processor, the camera enables you to capture high-quality photographs in Full HD. It comes with a 3.0-inch tiltable LCD screen and offers Full HD video recording. The rotating screen provides a good reference point to capture selfies as well. Its ISO 100 to ISO 25600 sensitivity range allows you to capture high-quality photography in a wide range of lighting conditions. The fast hybrid autofocus combined with the lock-on autofocus helps you capture fast-moving subjects with ease, even while shooting videos. The built-in pop-up flash allows you to capture night landscapes with a natural effect. The camera comes with connectivity options like Wi-Fi and NFC. The one-touch sharing feature allows you to transfer your images and videos to any smartphone in the click of a button. This camera comes with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, adapter, a 16-50 lens, shoe cap, body cap, eyepiece cup, and shoulder strap. This camera comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail the EMI option. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.